So when I first moved into my new neighborhood in Brooklyn, I was a bit scared. There was just a lot of scary gentlemen, and I was a bit frustrated because I just really wanted to fit in. It just seemed like nobody liked me. And my friend had told me about this program with languages that did wonders for him in Japan. And that's when I decided I just had to get Rosetta Stone Jamaican. Oh my God, this program has changed my life. It is so easy to use with its clear images, text, to its speech recognition technology. Oh, so good.
Me smoke the weed until my eyes them a bleed.
Bullet! And my personal favorite was their native speaking coach. Oh my God, Delroy Ricketts was amazing.
Blood clot, I wanna bust you like a suck yourself like a chichiman bomber clot.
Since I started using this product, so many changes have happened in my life. I've got new friends. I have a new job. I started playing sports, sports. Salad. I even noticed that I've become a little more attractive to a different type of person that I'm used to, and I love it. Angel face, beautiful jewel of the Nile, red pants, dumpling, yeah, you look good. I want to take you, I want to love you, kiss and caress you, but you don't want to test this rocket launcher, you don't want to test this bomber clock rocket launcher, cause I'm on is a bedroom bully, and you don't know, it's a rocket launcher.
Oh yeah! Now let me root cause it get me erratic. Now let me hurt scar that are my clinic. Hold on. Say the girl want a physician, girl want a man fit on in a different position. Girl want a man from ready love a them profession. I am the professional, I am the original. Listen to me now. When the girl want bagani, that's why them have to find a maga boy like a me. Man with the move and the style and the energy. Listen to me tragedy, hear me no Beverly. That's why the DJ sing.
So what is the meaning behind your stage name, Cinnamon?
Why them call me Cinnamon? Well, cause I'm on a sin.